Hello, good morning. Today we are going to talking about our project. My name is Cesar Eugenio Jimenez Garcia. Our project is a bakery software application. In our index, we have some points to discuss along in this presentation. The number one, introduction, problematic, general objective, specific objectives, rational, solution, methodology, and conclusion. The first one is introduction, where we are talking about the development of desktop application for meaning the sales system in every store is important. Why? Because have the control about the products, the sales and the information about all the type of products that uh, had demands on the store is important. The inclusion of point of sale system will improve the handling information about each sale made. The point of sale, that is where the manager and the employees work, as is very important for the development of the main stores. The problematic. The main problem for confectionery is the lack of coordination and efficiency on the part of employees when making a sale. Our customers tell us that when an employee makes a sale, he makes the calculation of the products and the total amount by mind. That is not the better way to do this. During each complete sale, the employee makes the calculation of his own. The problem not only remains there, but also extends beyond the moment of each having control region of sales. The general objective: develop an application that allows the administration of bakery by using a sales system capable of recording each sale and product. Our general objective is develop an application that solves one of the problems about the customer, that is the manager of the local, where make our sales more easy and faster than the another employees and have all the information recorded in a database. Specific objectives: carry out the study analysis for the client's needs by using a questionnaire. The questionnaire is used for have all the information necessary for our or the customer. Develop a database using MySQL, where is the information is saved for next report. Develop interfaces application based on the proposed design. This design was achieved when the manager tells one application about the customers. Develop a product registration system based on the client's need for the design of the database. And the last one, create a system application using Java for developing this. The rationale: the lack of an adequate method of control by the bakery is evident and reflected in the direct losses caused by factors and experience. The main rationale about this is that our company is in control to develop an application that solves all the problems about the customer, that is the manager of the local. So, in this opportunity, we developed this application. The problems like the loss of money are due to bad administration in confectionery, which does not have to maintain the standard of control on the part of the employees. The solution: to solve the problem of management in the bakery, was decided to implement a software system to improve the sales system and the employee skills. This was discussed with the customer and tell us that the best option for solve one of the problems is using a system. Why? Because using a system is a better option to save information and make all the registration necessary. The useful sales software will help in the way that is managed the bakery, solving problems of information storage of each sale.
Hello everyone, my name is Carlos and now I'm going to explain you what is the Scrum methodology. In this case we use the Scrum methodology in our project because it's the best option to develop a kind of project like this. For example, we have different sprints. Each sprint has a different product backlog. This product backlog is focused to improve the own project. So then we decide to develop the software with this methodology, using the Scrum and the sprints to achieve a better way to develop. First, we use the analysis and planning. First, here we use the elicitation requirements that has an interview This interview, we use this interview for try to find the best options for the customer. The customer gave us a list of specifications that he thought that it will be the best for the project for develop the requirements. Then, in base of this interview, using all the requirements previously got it, we designed the database. The database is focused to give a brief example of the priority of the customer. I mean, the database is focused to help to the work of the bakery. In this case, we have different kind of tables, and these tables have specific values to be stored and saved directly in the database. We use this database and we develop this in 2 or 3 weeks because we must find the best options to implement this directly in the bakery. Now, the interfaces. The interfaces took among 3 to 4 weeks to develop because we have a lot of work trying to programming the interfaces like login, main menu, register, and search menus, etc. In each interface, we use specific information previously recollected to store coding this application, using specific data to improve the application like this. So we create 4 interfaces that we allows a better comprehension of the project. The use of software system to manage small business became more than a luxury tool. Implementation of software helps directly in the management of the enterprise. And this means that it's the improvement of the skills and the employees and the management of how is working on the business. So then for the development of any software system, you must have a methodology of the development. Why? Because it's important to develop a software step by step. You cannot skip steps, or you cannot develop a software from anything. That is the importance of use a methodology to improve the software and develop this.
En el sistema debemos loguearnos primero como superusuario, en este caso sería el manager. Una vez adentro, tendremos 3 opciones. Seleccionemos productos para agregar nuevos productos. Presionamos el botón de nuevo. Llenaremos algunos datos que son el nombre, una pequeña descripción, un precio y seleccionar una categoría. Después seleccionaremos una imagen dependiendo del producto y finalmente daremos en salvar. La información ha sido registrada. Regresaremos al menú para ver las fechas de las ventas. Buscaremos fechas dependiendo del rango de fecha que queremos, del cual nos mostrará el número de la venta, la fecha en la cual ha sido efectuada la venta, el producto que se vendió, la cantidad del producto que se vendió, el precio con el que cuenta y al final el total. De igual manera, en la ventana de órdenes seleccionaremos un rango de fechas para buscar las órdenes que han sido efectuadas durante esas fechas. Nos dará la siguiente información, que es el número de la orden, el nombre completo, la fecha en la cual se efectuó, el precio, el producto, la cantidad y el total a pagar. Ahora ingresaremos como empleado. Como empleado tenemos 2 opciones, hacer ventas y hacer órdenes. En ventas, la fecha está por defecto, seleccionaremos el producto a vender, el precio se pone automáticamente, ponemos una cantidad, damos a pagar, escribimos el total de dinero que tengamos. Si es mayor, nos dirá que la información será registrada y nos dará el cambio. Y la venta será registrada en la tabla. De igual manera, regresamos al menú de órdenes. En esta ventana llenamos el nombre, apellido, la fecha para la cual se quiere el orden. Si es menor a la fecha actual, marcar un error, se selecciona el producto, el precio es automático, pondrá una cantidad de productos, de igual manera pagar, poner el dinero con el que se cuenta, si es mayor se efectuará la venta y regresará un cambio. Y la venta ha sido guardada. Regresamos al botón de menú, salimos y cerramos la aplicación.